Hi there, students. Facility. A countable noun and uncountable, but I think much more common uncountable. Okay, the basic meaning of facility is something that is easy. So, as a student, I'm sure you have a facility for languages. The ability to do something easily or well. It's clear that Messi has a facility for football. Okay, so facility, a natural ability to do something or to learn something very easily. It's like you've got a gift for something, a flair, a special talent. Yeah, a facility for. She played the violin with great facility, with great ease. It wasn't difficult. Okay, so facility is talking about the fact that something is easy to do, ease of action, ease of performance. You don't have any difficulty doing it. Yeah. And then we use facility as well, a facility, a place, normally a building, where something happens, yeah? But, for example, a place that makes something possible, particularly public services. So you could have transport facilities, yeah, the infrastructure necessary to do something, yeah. So facilities, the medical facilities, a correctional facility, it's a jail. Yeah, so it's a place where something is done, but the facility makes it possible to do that. It has the necessary equipment, the necessary infrastructure. Okay, so very often in this we talk about the facilities, talking about a public toilet. Yeah, are there any facilities around here, or any public facilities around here? A toilet, yeah, because it means you can use the place, you can go to the loo. So effectively it's the infrastructure to make something possible. To have a facility for something, to be talented at it, yeah. And then a nuclear facility, a military facility, a sports facility, yeah. It's a place where a particular activity occurs, especially buildings, yeah, which is equipped to do some sort of thing. Yeah, buildings and equipment and services provided for some particular thing. Yeah, there are shopping facilities nearby. Then you can also use this word facility for a product. It's a facility, in this case, a facility of a product. It's a particular feature that allows you to do something. So does this computer have a speech recognition facility? Yeah, or an overdraft facility? Yeah, the bank gives you an overdraft facility. It means you can go into the red. You can spend money you don't have up to a certain level. It doesn't mean you have to do it, but it means that you can do it if and when it's needed. So you've got the facility, it's there, it's available. Okay, so a facility in something, yeah, to have a facility with something, a facility for languages, a facility for singing, yeah, a facility for maths, and then a place or equipment or a room that is provided for people to use. Yeah, so sports facilities, leisure facilities, toilet facilities, yeah. Are non-members allowed to use the facilities? And then a feature that makes something that can be used, a characteristic that allows you to do something. Okay, let's see. Facility, formality. I'm definitely going to give this a 6.5. Informally, I would say a center, a toilet, a feature, an ability. Informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation and above. And then as to origin, well, it comes from facilité in French, from Latin facilitas, meaning ease, easiness. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bye for now. Facility.